Well, good morning, everybody. How'd you sleep? Well, I sure did. Slept so well, didn't even realize I got snowed on last night. Look at that. In my boots. Everywhere. That's going to be nice for packing up. Alright, I think I'll get up. Get something going here. Man, I slept good. Nice and warm. Alright, let's get going. It's one of those times when it calls for using one of these fire starter things. I could have lit this twig bundle with a match or something, but these work just as well, maybe better. Beautiful. That won't be long. It's quite cold. It's really cold. Sky's clearing up and there's a big wind coming through, so that means, well, I know there's some super cold weather coming today. Minus 23. So, that's awesome in a way. But, yeah, it's cold. So I got the wool anorak and the outer shell on, and I am good to go. Nice. Good start to the day. Right. Coffee time. Fresh ground. Nice. Okay. Coffee's finally boiling. Oh baby, you know that's good. I was thinking steak and eggs for breakfast. What do you say? Yeah, let's do it. First, a cup of coffee. Alright, let's get this steak on. Some more game. Well, this is probably farmed. Another organic, grass-fed piece of meat. This one is elk. Oh, there's 2 of them in there. Oh, cool. Alright. Steak and eggs coming up. Flip these bad boys. Ooh, they're gonna be nice. They're gonna be nice. Oh, they look good. Woo! Them rest. Whoa! Get our eggs in here. Take your eggs to bed with you, boys. You don't want them to freeze on you. Hey, let's see if we can flip these. They're breaking them. Yep, dinner. Okay, those eggs are done. Breakfast is served. All right, this is going to be a great breakfast, man. With a cup of coffee. Elk steak, eggs, and beans. How's that looking? Not bad, not bad. Let's take a quick look at the steak. Oh, this is dangerous. Dangerous. Oh, nice. I think it's done pretty well. Medium. Dude, that's good. Steak and eggs out here. What could be wrong with that? I haven't been eating much meat lately. thought I'd throw a bit of organic grass-fed protein down the old gullet. Tastes all right. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That was a good little overnighter. I'd like to stretch it to 2 nights. If I could. Fortunately, I can't. Walk in, setting up, getting all your wood. 2 nights makes it more worthwhile. But I will take what I can get. Yeah, I'm going to show you one more bite. That's it. You haven't tried elk, I suggest you do. That's it, guys. All packed up, ready to go. I really appreciate you spending the time with me. Awesome. Enjoyed it too. Got some good food. A gorgeous day to walk out. It's supposed to be minus 23 today. It's cold. Let me tell you, it is cold. Those clear skies and that wind cuts right through you. This thing blocks the wind. Well, thank you very much. If you're not a subscriber, please do. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one. In the meantime, take care.